Somebody kicked me out of bed.
Somebody kicked you out of bed?
Yeah.
Who?
Because the rat was coming.
What do you... A ghost?
Oh, it was a rat.
A ghost rat?
Could be.
There's no rats in here, Papa.
Could be. He turned around and looked at me, and he laughed. And he disappeared.
The rat laughed?
He laughed at me, then he disappeared.
Oh my.
But I gotta tell you a little something. I was sitting right here yesterday, and where do you think, on the end of the bed, who do you think was there?
Who?
A cute little tan doggy.
My.
He was cute. I said, where did you come from? He wagged his tail and he jumped down from the bed and he disappeared. And I never seen him since. Oh, he a cute little doggy. I said, where did you come from? He just wagged his tail and then he took off. I haven't seen him since. Oh, was he cute? Ah. Oh, I don't know. I wish I could have kept him.
Wow, Papa.
But he was a cute little doggy. Oh,
So you're feeling better today? You look good. You look very handsome.
who?
You're a handsome man.
Sam the man.
That's me. You're a handsome man.
Oh, I'm an old crook.
No, you're not. No, you're not. Wow. I love my people.